Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of grafting techniques. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding these methods can help you propagate plants effectively. Let's get started. Cleft grafting involves splitting the lower stem of the host plant and inserting the scion. This method is widely used. It's like creating a plant fusion, combining the best of both worlds. Cleft grafting is commonly used for propagating fruit trees, ornamental plants, and woody shrubs. It allows us to combine desirable traits from different varieties or species. The scion provides new growth, while the host provides stability and root support. Cleft grafting is typically done during the dormant season, winter or early spring. It's essential to align the cambium layers of the scion and the host for successful grafting. Remember, precision and proper technique are crucial for successful cleft grafting.